Environmental protection is an ongoing preoccupation of the government.
It is a challenge to balance jobs and economic income and growth in the short term and for longer term sustainability. We in Jamaica have had to make tough decisions, but the decisions that we have made ultimately are in the interest of our environment.
That commitment can be seen through the various legislation and policies that have been enacted and implemented. It's all in a bid to maintain Jamaica's healthy natural environment. A major plank of government's environmental stewardship is its introduction of a ban on plastics. Since January 1, 2019, Jamaica has introduced a prohibition on the import, distribution, manufacture, and use of commercial quantities of single-use plastics on a phased basis. There's evidence of buy-in from all sectors of society, which has been bearing fruit. The latest partner in the plastic management drive is global Anunnaki Tech Enterprise Limited, GATE. Since 2019, the Kingston-based business services, research and product development company, GATE, has been getting involved in environmental protection. With over 5,000 pounds of plastics collected, the company expanded its involvement by staging a recent coastal cleanup and plastic recycling drive along the Palisades Port Royal protected area. With the help of student volunteers, the company collects plastic bottles that are then repurposed by Recycling Partners of Jamaica Limited.
The purpose of doing the cleanups is to keep the country clean, and as well, one of the main reasons to look at recycling. So the reason for the coastal cleanups is to keep the environment clean and think about the environment, because protecting the environment saves lives.
Several Kingston-based schools participated, including Alpha Primary, Augustown Primary, New Providence Primary, Eltham High, Camperdown High, St. Hughes High, and Allman Town Primary.
It is important to create an awareness for especially the schoolers, because they will be the consumers, and they are the consumers of these products, and they will be the one to take care of the environment later on as we go forward.
Together, the small group of masked and sanitized students collected more than 120 pounds of plastic bottles.
I hadn't had the opportunity to actually participate in other extracurricular activities since COVID-19. I decided to participate in local recycling, of course, and it has taught me a lot, such as teamwork, building the environment, giving back, of course, and taking initiatives.
I have to learn to keep it clean, because we're the ones living in it and we're going to get affected in the end.
And there's more to come.
There's a partnership going on with a company in England and some Jamaican sponsors that are looking in towards doing a beautification project for the community of Hermitage and Augustown, the greater Augustown, the entire Augustown. And so I have decided to partner with them and to create one team that will create awareness for everyone. And we're also organizing a community competition, as I mentioned, in order to create full awareness.
Community competitions on recycling and beautification are planned for other communities.
It's very important to continue these cleanups, because if we don't have the safe and clean air to breathe and water to drink, it doesn't make sense. Life will cease.
You too can help the environment by keeping your corner of the rock clean. At home, separate your plastic bottles from your regular domestic waste and drop it off at a recycling site. On the road, resist the urge to discard your plastic bottles anywhere. Keep it until you're able to place it into a garbage receptacle. We all have a part to play. Let's stay true to our National Development Plan by making Jamaica the place of choice to live in a healthy natural environment.